Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to go ahead and film a really quick video showing how I go from 2-day dry crispy hair to my everyday low sleek ponytail on my natural hair. If you saw my last video where I did the wet look, this is 2 days after that. So basically I didn't do anything to my hair. I just tied a scarf around my edges and then went to sleep. As you can see, it was a hot mess. So this real quick video is just showing you guys how I went from that 2-day-old hair to my quick low bun. Hope you guys enjoy and thanks for watching.
Check the price. All I do is swipe. Why you wanna go? Why you wanna go? Why you wanna go? If you're not my type, if you're not my. Why you wanna go? Why you wanna go? Why you wanna go? If you're not my type, if you're not my. I ain't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Cups with the ice. Do this every night. I ain't got no type. I ain't got no type. She said, what's your type? I said, I like what I like. I don't second guess. I just roll the dice. Keep your 2 cents. Take your own advice. You know, I've been living life.